Hello everyone, welcome to Coding with Bharat. So in this lecture I'm going to discuss one of the most fundamental concept in quantum computing. So in quantum computing we deal with qubits and we have quantum gates, whereas in classical computing we deal with bits and we use logical gates. So in quantum computing we have various quantum gates, that is the single quantum gates and the multiple or multi quantum gates. So in single quantum gates we have various types of gates, that is we have Hadamard gate which is denoted by H, we have poly X gate which is denoted by X, we have poly Y gate, it is denoted by Y, we have poly Z gate which is denoted by Z, we have phase gate that is denoted by S, we have T gate which is denoted by T, we have identity gate which is denoted by I, and we have rotation gates which are denoted by Rx, Ry and Rz. So these are the single qubit gates which are used in the quantum computing. Now coming to the multi-qubit gates. So in multi-qubit gates we have C0 gate. So C0 gate is nothing but the controlled NOT gate. Okay, we have CZ gate, we have swap gate, we have ISwap gate, which is the advanced version of this swap gate. We have CC NOT gate, it is controlled control NOT gate. So these are the different gates which are used in quantum computing. Thank you so much for listening to this lecture.